bulletin. Emergency evacuation warning for the following counties. Fairfield County in western Connecticut. New Haven County in central Connecticut. The National Emergency Alert Service has issued a mass evacuation of New Haven and Fairfield counties. An event of unknown severity has occurred at the Quantum Science Energy Research Facility in southwestern New Haven County. It is advised to leave your homes and evacuate to the designated safe zones. Military personnel have been dispatched on site to provide assistance. Please bring food, water, flashlight with extra batteries, first aid kit, and a portable radio to receive any warning alerts. If no public transportation is available, please seek out the nearest police station or military outpost immediately. Please evacuate quickly and safely. Tune into local news outlets for any updates on this situation.